How to convert LazPayLater to bank account. So as of now, LazPayLater cannot be directly converted to cash or transferred to a bank account. So here's what you can do instead. You can do a workaround. You can do a buy and resell method. So you can buy a high demand item using LazPayLater, then like for example, mobile phones, smartwatches, power banks, gift cards, and some gadgets. Then you want to sell those items for cash. You can post it on Facebook Marketplace, Carousel, or local buy and sell groups. And you might also need to sell it for slightly lower than the original price to get quick cash. You can also get cash and continue paying Last Pay Later in installments. Although be careful, Lazada may suspend your Last Pay Later if they detect suspicious buying and selling activity, and make sure to avoid bulk buying or repeating this too often, and always pay your dues on time to avoid penalties.